Hey guys, I'm Diamond, also known as your coiliness, and I am here today to do a drunk elephant unboxing and also just give you guys a little update on what I have planned for this summer. But first, make sure you guys like this video and be sure to subscribe. I really appreciate it. All right, let's get into it. Okay, so first of all, I didn't even know that Drunk Elephant was sending me this big box. I'm like, oh my god, what is it? I love Drunk Elephant though. We're cool. So yeah, I kind of have already opened it for a TikTok, but I figured you guys wouldn't care because we're just doing something more casual and I wanted to really talk to you guys too. So here's the inside. Just act like this is still wrapped. I'll read you guys the note first. It says, Happy June. For the record, it would be hard for you to be any cooler, but we're gonna try. Next time you go on a hike, plan a picnic, or go outside this summer, pack this bag with exactly what you need to stay cool. Drinks, maybe some fruit, and of course, the recipe for gorgeous glowing skin. And we'll see you at the beach. XO, Tiffany. Look at this bag, this cute little picnic bag. I love how bright it is because it's like obviously gonna stand out. The inside is lined. Super cute. Yeah, I've been wanting to go on a picnic too, like for a while. And of course they sent me some products too. They sent me, first of all, they sent me this D-Bronzy Anti-Pollution Sunshine Drops Fortifying Bronze. Okay, there we go. Yes. I've never tried these, never seen these, so I'm excited to see how they are. And honestly, I'm open to a little bit of bronzing. They also sent me the Umbra Sheer Physical Daily Defense Sunscreen. I'm so glad they sent this sunscreen because I've been looking for a sunscreen for this year. Then lastly, they sent me this C Firma Fresh, which I've used before, but I haven't been using lately because with a lot of Drunk Elephant's products, outside of their moisturizers, their serums and stuff, they always recommend that you're using SPF. And I haven't had any since it's gotten super sunny. Even though you should be wearing sunscreen, even in the winter. Whatever, I haven't. But I know damn sure as it gets sunny, I need something on my face. So, but yeah, that's what they sent me. Thank you, Drunk Elephant. So now for the life updates. I want to get back on YouTube more. I want to be on here more. It's a lot of fun. I just felt like, for some reason to me, YouTube feels more performative, or just that like I have to do more, like I have to put on more, like, oh, I need to get dialed up, like I need to put on a cute outfit, I need to slap on some makeup. I don't even wear a lot of makeup, but you know, I would just do my little bit, you know, of what makeup I do. But I'm currently doing no makeup May, and the month is almost over and I'm still going fine. So yeah, I wanted to get back on YouTube, but I just felt it was like a lot to even do a video. But I'm like, who says it has to be a lot? So I'm coming to you today with this airy tee and these quilted sweatpants, just chilling and vibing and showing you guys the stuff, because like it's not just about the aesthetics when it comes to YouTube for me, and I don't want it to be. I just want to be able to just chat and talk to you guys. I'm here like this. I did put in some earrings though, and I just put on one necklace, but I got a hair tie on my wrist, which is low-key bugging me, but it's like, why? It's not that serious. I mean, interesting. I'm having this thought as I speak to you guys right now, but I feel like for a lot of my social media, it's about aesthetics. And although I still am an aesthetic girl and I love visuals, great visuals, it's also about what I'm saying. And I have things to say, you know, that you don't always have to come looking like amazing in order for what you're saying to be taken seriously or to be valued. So if that's anything I've learned from TikTok, and I feel a lot of people have learned from TikTok, is like, it doesn't always have to be super aesthetically pleasing in order for people to, first of all, connect and find it interesting and to engage with content. So I'm here as me. Anyways, updates with me. I am going to LA next month in June. I'm a part of the YouTube Shorts community. They have a lot of events, you know, in LA and stuff like that. And when they invite me to them, I always go. Well, I try to go. So I am going to LA next month for this beauty festival event. They're having like a brunch. So I'm super excited for that, to meet some more beauty girls in the YouTube space and just in general, you know, just to connect with more creators. Every time I go to LA, I meet a ton of amazing creators doing amazing things, and I always leave feeling so full and excited to just take my content to the next level, you know what I mean? So I'm super excited to, and especially because when I went in February, I was going to a Black History Month event. So it was Black creators of all niches, you know, but this is a specifically a beauty event. So I'm expecting to meet a lot more beauty and fashion, you know, lifestyle related girlies that I can really relate to more to their content, you know, and really, you know, talk to them. I'm going for that. That is the week of like June 15th. So I'll be in LA that week. And then the following week is VidCon. And I'm going to VidCon. I bought my ticket yesterday and I got my hotel. So I'm going to stay in Anaheim that second week. Every time I go to LA, I feel like I get closer to figuring out my place in a sense, because I feel like in LA there's no limits, you know. There's no limits in Detroit. I feel like in Detroit here at home, like, you know, you've got, I'm from here, so, you know, you've got like the family, you've got your past, and you got things that kind of almost hold you back, or not even in a sense hold you back, but get you thinking more. You think with more limits, I feel like, at home. And when I'm in LA, everything just feels so limitless, and I always just leave feeling so inspired and motivated to like go home and just kill it. I'm super excited to go back to LA, and this time for 2 weeks. I literally have an entire list of like all my LA friends that I'm gonna hit up. I hope I can hang out with, you know, and see. And I'm really excited for VidCon to just learn, you know, and really take in the knowledge and just get the most out of it. I'm throwing myself into it, you know. So I'm super excited, and that's all I have planned so far this summer. My mom may be starting to work at Delta. If she does, I obviously will have a buddy pass, so I'm gonna be flying everywhere this summer. I'm thinking Patty, mon ami, okay? Finally gonna go to Hawaii. I've been planning my Hawaii thing, but this whole LA, 2 week to LA thing has taken precedence, of course, over me just going to Hawaii for fun. So that's just been the focus. And I've been going to the gym consistently. I've been working, I go to Orange Theory. I work out there 4 days a week, 3 to 4 days a week. I gotta get this body right, get it tight, because I'm shutting it down in LA. I'm so excited. I've been trying to eat clean. It's harder on the weekends, but during the week I do pretty good. That's just been my focus right now, is preparation and figuring out where I'm headed, you know. That's really my latest updates. Tell me guys down below what's up, what's new with you, what do you guys have going on or planned this summer. I'm really excited to hear it. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys next time. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate you guys. Thanks so much. Bye.